First, I thank His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, for finding me worthy to be nominated as a commissioner into his cabinet. But I also want to state clearly and without any equivocation that I will uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and ensure that at all times the rule of law is maintained. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good morning.
Good boy Sokari, honorable member representing the good people of our other ways, and also the leader of the 10th Legislative Assembly of Rivers State. Today we just finished our sitting, and for us, we've missed our legislative business. Right now we're back to continue with our legislative business. Firstly, we want to commend the governor for providing this alternative place for us, though it's our temporary place of sitting, and we are very sure, and we've seen what he has done in our original complex, which we used to use before, the Moscow Road, and we know too well that in no time he will finish that place for us to go back. But for now, we are using here, so we commend the governor for this provision. The beautiful place, a very good place for us. Today was just a simple thing for us. What we did today, just screening a commissioner. We know too well that there are vacancies in the executive arm of the government, and as a legislator, what we do most times is to assist the legislative in approval and making sure that they continue with their own business to benefit the people of Rivers State. So today was basically to screening a commissioner, and we never had much problem because the commissioner's CV was so rich, and we are happy that he's coming to assist to move the government forward. Thank you.